The Hoover bus goes to snap. Let's carry the ball to the right side. Hoover snaps the ball. It's a full over play.
Yeah, baby.
The ball is recovered by high formation in the backfield by the Oak Mountain Eagles. Offsides. Eagles in the I formation. And off up the middle. He's brought down hard along the 20-yard line. Oak Mountain Eagles in the wishbone formation. The ball is snapped. Quarterback keeper around the outside. He puts up. He's taken down at the wishbone formation. The ball is handed off. Is out to the right side. Taken down at the Hoover Bucks has the ball down. Here's the snap, wishbone formation. Quarterback keeper around the outside. He cuts to the inside. Take it down the backfield.
Got it late.
Wishbone formation in the backfield. Quarterback keeper to the outside. Blocking turns to the inside. He cuts back up the field. He's got the first down. He sets out down along the 30-yard line. Motion in the backfield, a handoff up the middle. He's taken down by a host of Oak Mountain Eagles. Ball snaps scored by keeper on the outside. Stiff on the first man, he gets a positive yardage. He takes
there we go.
On the minutes and 2 seconds remaining in the first quarter, Hoover Bucks has possession of the ball in wishbone formation. There's the handoff. He cuts back to the inside. He's taken out by a host of the Oak Mountain Eagles. Quarterback set. Ball down the 42-yard line. The handoff. Quarterback keep around the outside. He takes the ball and cuts to the
inside. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oak Mountain Eagles have possession of the ball. The handoff to the outside. He cuts back to the inside. He's taken down at the 37-yard line. Oak Mountain Eagles in the wishbone formation. Hands the ball to the outside. He turns and cuts up to the other side. He gains a positive yard. He's down to the Hoover 30-yard line.
Right. There we go. First down.
1-yard gain over.
There you go.
Offsides.
Attaboy, Matthew.
You're going to have to just be, you're going to have to create a setback this week.
Oak Mountain Eagles in the I formation in the backfield. Here's a snap, the handoff up the middle.
There you go,
there you go.
Here's a positive gain of 6 yards on the carry. The I formation. Here's a quick pitch to the outside. He cuts it around to the outside, hits for the out of bounds at the
shotgun.
handoff around the outside. He's going to the outside. He cuts back to the inside. He's taking down around the 21-yard line.
Hold it.
To the outside. He got the field on the field. He's down to the 30. He's down to the 30. He puts it down. Is he going to go all the way? He's down to the 20, the 15, the 2. Touchdown, Hoover! He was in the wishbone formation. Quarterback keeper to the outside. He cuts to the inside. He's down to the late hit on the play. keeper to the outside. He cuts up to the inside. He's down to the 33-yard line. And off up the middle, he's taken down to the 35-yard line. Three minutes and 35 seconds remaining until halftime. And off up the middle, he's going to the outside. He's taken down by a host of Hoover Buccaneers along. Ball is up the middle. He breaks to the outside. He breaks down another tackler. He is going. He is down to the 40-yard line, the 30-yard line. He's at the 20, the 15, the 10. Touchdown, Hoover Buccaneers. With the minute and 15 seconds on the clock until halftime. There's a quarterback. Ooh, he's taken down. Fumble on the play in the backfield. Old Mountain Eagles have the ball in the I formation. The ball is snapped. It's a handoff up the middle. He goes down on the 30-yard. Old Mountain Eagles have possession of the ball on the 33-yard line. Wishbone formation. It's a handoff. He goes up the middle. He breaks to the center. He's down to the 33-yard line. Wishbone formation. Ball is down the 33-yard line. Here's a snap. It's a handoff to the outside. He breaks to the outside. Down to the 37-yard line. The ball is on the 37-yard line. He's snapped. Quarterback keeper to the outside. He cuts to the outside, head out. Oh, he's taken down at the 42-yard line. Old Mountain Eagles in I formation. Ball is snapped. Handoff up the middle. Down to the 44-yard line. Takes it down at the outside. He's at the They're in the I formation, the quarterback keeper up the middle. Did they get the first down? There's a pile up of Hoover Buccaneers on the tackle. Hoover Bucks takes possession of the 33-yard line, wishbone formation. Here's a snap, a handoff around the outside. He cuts back to the inside. He breaks a few tackles, but he's covered by a host of Oak Mountain Eagles. Take it down over the middle. Wishbone formation. Here's the snap. Quarterback keeper to the outside. He's got a host to block. He cuts it to the inside. He goes out and he just steps out of bounds around the 35-yard line. He's in the shotgun. Here's a snap. He follows the ball. And he goes down hard at the line of scrimmage. And wishbone formation. Here's a snap. It's a handoff to the outside. Taken down to play gains 1 yard. Here's a snap. Wishbone formation. He hands the ball off to the outside. He breaks up the middle. Breaks a few tackles. He's down to the 17. Here's a snap. Breaks to the outside. He's up the middle. He's still on his feet. He's breaking down to the 10, the 5. Touchdown. Eagles has possession of the ball along the 25-yard line in a strong formation. Here's a snap. It's a quick pitch to the outside. And he's taken down in the backfield by Hoover. Eagles have possession of the ball. Here's a snap, a handoff up the middle. He gets positive yardage, and he's taken back for 2 yards. He's down. Here's a snap. Quarterback keeper to the outside. He has blocked, but then he cuts back to the inside, and he steps out of bounds. 38-yard line. To the outside, he's taken down, he steps out of bounds rolling. Hand off on the outside, he cuts back to the inside, taken down by Hoover buck safety. Hand off to the outside, taken down to the 31. Goes to the outside, he cuts back, he's carrying the ball, he's still on his feet, he's up to me, taken down at the 15-yard line. Quarterback keeper to the outside, he cuts, he turns, and it is touch. Hoover Bucks has possession. Back at 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining in the ball game. The score is now 19-7. Hoover Bucks are up by 12. Here's the snap. By 12. The ball is down to the 25-yard line. Wishbone formation. Here's the snap, the handoff. He cuts back to the outside.